Get ready to redefine your world with the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, offering industry-leading noise cancellation that truly needs to be heard to be believed. Imagine silencing bustling commutes, noisy offices, or even the chatter of a busy cafe. These headphones create an instant oasis of calm. The improved QN1 processor ensures an immersive, distraction-free listening experience, making them a must-have for focus and relaxation. Power worries are a thing of the past, with an incredible 30-hour battery life, easily lasting through the longest flights or a full work week. And for those urgent moments, a quick 3-minute charge provides 3 hours of playback, so your music never has to stop. Seamlessly switch between two devices, like your phone and laptop, thanks to the brilliant multi-point connection feature. Take a call on your phone and instantly jump back to your movie on your computer without ever fumbling with settings. Pure genius. These aren't just excellent headphones. They're a smart, comfortable, and stylish audio companion designed for today's connected lifestyle. If you're searching for the best noise-canceling headphones 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an unbeatable contender and truly worth the investment. Don't wait to upgrade your audio. Click the Amazon link in the description now and experience the future of sound for yourself.